I'm bringing you another chunky, delicious salad, perfect for summer or whenever you just want something fresh to eat. Today we are making a dilly white bean cucumber salad. In a small bowl, we're going to make our vinaigrette. We're going to start with 1 clove of garlic minced. Feel free to add more garlic. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. A half teaspoon of salt. Some black pepper. And the juice of a small lemon, or about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Go ahead and whisk that all together, and I recommend making this the night before. It will just allow the flavor of the garlic to blossom. Then in a large bowl, we're going to combine half of a large English cucumber, 5 to 7 radishes cut into matchsticks, and 2 green onions thinly sliced. Then we're going to add 2 15-ounce cans of white beans. I used Great Northern beans, rinsed and drained. And then we need 0.75 ounces of fresh dill, stems removed. This is a ton of dill. I'm using dried dill. I'm using just shy of 4 tablespoons. If you are using fresh dill, 0.75 ounces is about 15 tablespoons, which is just shy of a full cup of dill. Very dilly. Then go ahead and add your vinaigrette and toss everything together. And then because I'm using dried dill, my salad was a lot better the next day because, again, the dill is dehydrated. Once it rehydrates, the flavor really wakes up. So just keep that in mind if you are using dried dill. But whenever you make it, once you make it, you're ready to serve it. It's fresh, it's crunchy, it's colorful. You have lots of fiber, you have lots of protein. It's very filling. And again, just like with anything, you can tweak it to suit your taste. Use a little less lemon juice, use a little more olive oil, add salt and pepper to taste, use cannellini beans if you want, add more green onion. I could go on. But here's the salad for you guys. I will leave all of the ingredients and the instructions down below in the description, along with the link to the original recipe. There are some options that the original author has regarding the oil. You can use tahini in its place. If you would try this salad, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and if you're looking for another yummy salad recipe, go ahead, click or tap here on screen, and I will see you guys there.